my prize! The black tar is mine! I don't see you! Prize is gone! There now! There now! No, no, no! Stick together! This is one clever fox!
He was one such man, one who had lost all, over and over, and to this, he had lost his sanity. His was a never-ending journey away from the phantoms of his past. He believed he could silence the cacophony in his mind and find peace beyond a place he called the Plains of Silence. He now had the vehicle, the weapons, the provisions and the fortitude. He only needed the fuel. And here, there was but one place to go for fuel. Gastown.
Listen, my apostles of Apple! You've hunted well. Here's the fox who thought he'd plunder from Scabra Scrotus. We move out, my creatures.
Won't somebody tell me an answer if you can? I want someone to tell me what is the soul of a man? I'm going to ask a question. Answer if you can. Will anyone here tell me what is the soul of a man?
For another brawl. This setback would not stop him. He would have his peace, even if it meant another war. And war was coming, because he had created a mortal enemy.
Good boy.
Need water.
Dog has led me right so far. Gotta find it.
Chumbucket, this man, are you quiet, gently? What? No!
It ain't for eating.
That's you. Foul as a life inside the other gives birth. Start ablaze by godly plug ignite. Revolution about revolution, rejoice! Please, don't kill Chumbucket! Please! Hey!
Why shouldn't I?
Because I know you. Yeah, I spied you in the long lookers. They left you for the blowflies, and they snatched your ride, and now you'll be looking to snatch it back. That's what the prophecy says. You're the driver.
That's right.
Then Chumbucket is your man. Yeah, I'm your man. Yeah, yes, I am. See, I have a vehicle that can take you to your car. I do say. That's right. See, she's not running now. Sorry for that. I came here for the parts. You see, I'm a black finger. I can make it work again. And Dinky D, too, is gonna need an overhaul.
Don't go stray.
No, I won't. I know you'll find me and dismantle me. I know. Chumbucket's not stupid. Over here. Over. Come on. Oh, I can make you become steel real, my angel. I can build your corpus and ignite your sacred fuel. True, but only the warrior saint can drive you. Yeah, that is why you send him my way.
All the riches of these lands are mine! All of Gastown is mine!
I need peace. To find peace, I must reach the plains of silence. To reach them, I need a machine as good as the Black on Black. Or better.
Dog's bleeding out.
Oh, I can fix it, but I do my best work in my sanctum.
Push the car.
I need wire to fix my buggy, but then I can show you where they took the Black on Black.
Where do I find wire?
Up that path! But before you go, grab some grit, Saint. You must be running on fumes.
Canned food. Sure beats eating maggot gruel. What we got, dead man? Anything for me? Ammo? No wire.
Bring it on! Should know better! Maggot roadkill! Mess with the best! You're down now! Another one! Fun's not over yet, boys! You regret coming! coming here, boy! Come bearing gifts! Kill! Kill that roadkill! We got company!
Should be enough.
Wait!
Oh. Here I heard the bloody sounds of a smackdown. You're not leaking, are you? Tell me you're not leaking. Huh? Praise be! Praise be! My buggy's just over here. Follow me. Come. This way.
Easy, dog. Easy.
Rev it up and go, Saint. The buggy's humble, but she can haul.
The sooner I get my car back, the sooner I'll be on my way.
Woo, amen! Huh? May we arrive in time to save your black on black from slaughter. These barbarians love to chop. Yes, from that looky-look point, we may be able to spot your car. We can see the camp from up there. Without risk of detection. Over here! Over! Come look! Yeah, see, this is where the thick brows squat and cut. Those butchers. Infidels. Oh, yeah, look. There. Scrotus is their king. Yeah, he's a big boss man from the gas town, you see. Scrotus always keeps the best parts for himself. Yeah, but he's not here now. You see, I don't see the Land Rover.
I'm getting my car back.
Wait, please. An idea. It's better for you, and it's better for me. Just listen. Look, your black on black is toast. It's scrap. It's gone. She'll never be whole again. Huh? Now I can build you a car, bring into creation one that's faster and tougher than the black on black ever was. Yeah?
How tough, how fast?
Very. Faster than fear. Tougher than an iguana's gonads. Come with me. We Mustn't be seen. Huh? I'll take you to the tabernacle, and when you see what I'm gonna show you, you'll be shouting holy all day long.
Yeah, good cover. Perfect place to build a car.
Come, Saint. Yes, I have much to show you.
What is this place?
You are in the outer graves. Over there is the Great White.
An ancient seabed.
I'm not sure. No, but we are at the bottom. It doesn't get any lower than this. When you're ready, Saint, my holy hideout awaits. Oh, my sanctum awaits. Come and see. Huh? Come and see, O Saint. Huh? A dream. A hallucination become truth. The angel made steel. By the fire that moves the piston, by the tranny on all high, by the cam and the U-joint blessed be, there she lies, the magnum opus. There she is.
This ain't her car. It's just a mess of parts.
No. She's knowledge from the numinous, divinely inspired. She wills herself upon this world. Look! See, here, divine meets drive shaft and a symbiosis of faith. Modded and made to measure. You want some of that old-time religion, huh? I got a classic whammy turbo high dog, huh? Hell yeah! Bulletproof and torture-tested, statically upgraded with Chumbucket overdrive. Coils, and springs, shocks, and links too.
It's gotta be 8 cylinders, nothing less.
Yes, we will get there. Yes. First, we have to get her beautificial body.
Show me where it is.
Yes. Come. No time like the present. Come on, Saint. We must go. We will liberate her body from a place sad and strange, where the chariots of old went to die. A place I call the graveyard. Where we must go in the dead of night, when the buzzard guardians are away on their wild hunt. We're low on fuel. Unfortunately, with gas time comes the blessings of gasoline. We should find enough fuel for us to make it to the graveyard. Ooh, a big steel gift box. What prizes do you hold? Over there, fuel cans.
Empty. Whoever was here is long gone now, along with anything of use.
There's fuel all around. Keep your eyes peeled.
She's out of gas.
Enemy's hard to kill!
Full can.
Fill her up, huh? All the way to the brim. Praises, she's full. But let's bring an extra. Something up. Now, let us make haste before the nightly hunters return to their lair. Nobody around. Their gate unguarded. The gasoline, Saint. Huh? One blast should split it wide open.
So let's make this one count.
Exaltations! She's cracked open. We must hurry. The wardens of this place murder on sight. The fiends that tend this catacomb don't like strangers. No! There are dangling man-killers everywhere. Tread careful. Ah! Watch out! More traps ahead. Stop it! Go! Go! The last place you want to get trapped is buzzard territory! Too close! Keep rolling! There! Our prize! Right for the taking! Go quickly! The only way to get up there is through those cave tunnels!
Get the car in place down here. I'll lower the body onto it. Something here. Maybe I could zip down this. Flashlight. Handy. Still works too.
Yes! There you are, Saint! And you've got the whole world up there! in your hand. You got a choice tonight. Which one shall be your bride? Choose. Get down here. Yes, Saint, yes, creatures of the underworld. But ponder the prize. Now, if you stop, or later, at my sanctum. It's your choice.
Get out there and fix it.
I need more than just a body and some wheels.
Hey, men! Oh, we need parts, scarce as they are. Help me gather all this scrap. Huh? I'll fashion a harpoon. With the harpoon, say, we'll gain entry into many sealed places. Huh? May also prove to be useful in battle.
How so?
Why, we could use it to defeat enemies. So, we got all we need?
Just junk and parts.
Ah, yeah, but the jag tip, it's not here. See, it's not here at all. Yeah, it's in my bunk. It's just there for, safekeeping, see?
If the hunchback delivers, this harpoon will be very useful.
Got the jag tip.
To stand a chance, she'll need nitrous. I know how, but we'll need the parts.
We just get them. It'll be easy with a harpoon.
Yes, but first, Scrotus war boys are out there. And if we don't weaken their numbers, why, it'll mean the end of you, me, and the magnum opus.
All right, let's do it.
See those metal monsters? Scrotus war boys put them up to mark their turf. Bring them down for good.
Ramming could damage our front, but it should work.
Flat out, go!
Better use the harpoon for this.
Scrotus Camp laid before us at our mercy.
No, we scouted out.
Oh, yes, to see if they've nasty surprises in wait for the righteous.
What's the purpose of these camps?
Oil, the crude, pumped from the very ground and sent in convoys to be refined and gasolined in gas town.
Let's see. Gates defended. Sniper out front. War crier. That's all.
What'd you spy, Saint?
Camp is light defenses. I'll deal with them before entering.
Yes, yes, nothing our sweet magnum opus cannot handle. Spotted us now, and preparing for battle.
This gotta be quick. It's clear. Now the gate. The tank is feeding the flamethrower.
We'll rip it off! Harpoon awaiting your command!
Lie low here.
We got company!
Gotta shut him up.
We die fighting! Save it! And we kill even... He's come for the chunker! Stop him!
Stop making that racket.
So, this is where it ends. At the hands of a crazy-eyed road warriors.
The black one back is gone. They left nothing. Will I ever come back? Gotta get to that pump and destroy it. Storm's rising. him again. What do you want?
Time is built to this, Wanderer. Your path, however crooked, has led you straight to here. Our work, yours and mine, must soon commence. Come find me when your spirit is ready.
What the?
Destroy the pump. Make it so that there's no reason for them to come back. Fuel storage. One can will do the trick. From the tunnels. I need to find him.
Now to begin my work.
There's something needs doing before we turn back.
But we've got all we need. Why stall our work on the magnum opus?
It's not for you to understand.
I see. You have your secret reasons. I'll follow you, because I think fate favors old chum. And you need both of us. If you have to wander solo, please, take this flare. And when you need old chum, point skywards and fire.
Stay with the car. I do this alone.
Oh, never mind, old Chumbucket.
There you are. Shifter of sands, letter of blood. remnants of a ruined past. You say you seek the plains of silence, but do you not wander them right now? The remains of your life, a perpetual flight, an escape from all that is human, until one day, the plains of silence end, and you begin. You've a purpose in this life, my friend, although you fear to dream it. But pain will come, much more pain, before this purpose to you is made manifest.
You know nothing of me.
Look behind you, at dune after dune of drifting, half-forgotten terrors. You flee them always, these past phantoms, and the madness that crawls inside. You've come to Griffa for a reason, deep inside. Twisted around horrors from which you run lies your strength. Griffa can help. Help you venture down to where you daren't go yourself, and lay bare your true promise. Are you not the one who travels to forget? I've seen you before, running from ghosts, searching in vain for your plains of silence. Your road and mine will soon be one, and you will be reborn a man greater than his fears.
Spotters. That's trouble. Where's the car? Oh, he hasn't. Any trouble?
I saw bad guys, huh? Sneaking, spying, wanting to steal her away from us. I had to take her somewhere safe.
No time to waste then. We've a car to build.
Yes, we do. Oh, we've done righteous work, Saint. We have what we need to install the nitrous boost.
Nitro done yet?
Oh, yes. Nitro installed. Now, let's baptize her and roll the holy sled. I know just the place. There, aim for the edge and boost across. She soars! I knew she could make it! The spotter! We must silence them before they call their friends!
That's the last of them.
We really should get back to my sanctum.